Hello everyone, my name is Tanay and today we are going to do a weekly Godi recap. I'll keep making episodes, hopefully weekly if I get time. So I want to start this episode with a sad news of Rohit Sardana, who was an anchor for Aaj Tak. He passed away due to a heart attack after he tested positive for COVID-19. We call people Godi media, but we mean no harm to anyone. Like, you can't make mockery of someone's death. That's very wrong. There are a lot of people who are just saying like he deserved it and this and that. No one deserves death. No one deserves anything wrong happening to them. So rest in peace and hopefully the family will stay strong. And please subscribe to the channel. It helps me growing. Share it on WhatsApp, share it on Instagram, Twitter, wherever you can. Please share this because it helps me grow, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. So we'll start this video with Arnab Goswami.
मैं तो प्रशंसा करता हूं इसमें केंद्र सरकार ने इतनी बड़ी
We'll get back to him later. Let's move on to BND.
नमस्कार व्यूअर्स, मैं हूं अमीश देवगन.
No, my dear friend.
Now if you plotted a graph where the x-axis is the magnitude of a problem and the y-axis is the irrelevance of a topic, then Amish's debates go in an exponential curve.
थोड़ी मर्यादा रखिए.
No, my dear friend.
What the situation is and what debates you are conducting, भाई कुछ भी करेंगे.
सवाल है कि आखिर एक क्लोज डोर मीटिंग को सार्वजनिक करने के पीछे मकसद क्या था? क्या वाकई ये एक सियासी चाल चली गई है जैसा कि बीजेपी आरोप लगा रही है, क्योंकि अरविंद केजरीवाल के अलावा किसी भी और दूसरे मुख्यमंत्री ने इसका लाइव टेलीकास्ट नहीं किया. आज इसी पर होगी देश की सबसे बड़ी बहस. क्या सांसों का संकट, सियासी मौका?
COVID cases are increasing by more than 3 lakhs a day, and Bhai wants to find out the conspiracy behind Arvind Kejriwal and that protocol break. That situation happened and Arvind Kejriwal apologized. Everything done. After that also, still he wants to conduct this big debate on it. Hey yaar. Let's ask Arnab if he can talk again. Hey Arnab.
इतनी बड़ी डिसीजन ले ली है हम सबको आज.
Let's move on to the next one. For the next one, you will need a pen and a paper because we are traveling back in time to the 7th grade to learn about ऑक्सीजन.
हमें स्कूलों में ऑक्सीजन के महत्व का पाठ पढ़ाया जा चुका है, लेकिन तब हम इसे गंभीरता से लेते नहीं थे. और इसे समझाने के लिए आज मैं आपके साथ 7वीं कक्षा की, स्कूलों में 7वीं क्लास में विज्ञान की किताब में जो चैप्टर पढ़ाया जाता है ऑक्सीजन को लेकर, उसके कुछ अंश आपके साथ आज आपके सामने लेकर आया हूं.
फालतू टॉपिक्स में ना lot of efforts are put in. He literally got a 7th standard book and he's reading out stuff from it for oxygen. Man. But let's write down some notes for the next one.
अपने नथुनों और मुख को कसकर बंद कर लीजिए और घड़ी की ओर देखिए. आप कितनी देर तक इन दोनों को बंद रख पाए? कुछ समय बाद आपने क्या महसूस किया? आप उस समय को नोट कीजिए जब तक आप अपनी सांस को रोके रख सके. और उन्होंने एक कैरेक्टर का नाम रखा है बूजो. आगे इस कहानी में लिखा है, बूजो ने नोट किया जब कुछ देर तक सांस रोके रखने के बाद उसने सांस छोड़ी तो उसे तेज सांस लेनी पड़ी. क्या आप उसे बता सकते हैं कि ऐसा क्यों हुआ?
Sudhir and his boojo nonsense है. It's like every time something weird things he has to get to the table है. छोड़ो, I feel he should go back to the 7th grade and take these classes again. Journalism तो आता नहीं. Do something else altogether. Hey Arnab, are you done?
हम सबको आज अप्रिशिएट करना चाहिए. बहुत बड़ी खबर है, बहुत बड़ी खबर रिपब्लिक भारत पर.
Let's come to Times Now. A person called in Times Now and said this.
Let me go across to Kamalakar, one of our viewers calling us from Pune. Go ahead. What would you like to say?
हाँ, देखिए गए 8 साल से टाइम्स नाउ कि वो नाविका और दूसरा कौन था उसके साथ
गजब बेइज्जती है.
नाविका और उसके साथ जो कौन था, राहुल शिवशंकर है, 0 भाव.
ये 8 साल से मोदी और शाह के गोदी में बैठ के उनकी तारीफ करते रहे. हाँ,
I like how he said in the end. हाँ,
तारीफ करते रहे. हाँ,
तारीफ करते रहते हैं. हाँ, शर्म नहीं आती क्या? हाँ.
कमलाकर जी, आप अगर ऐसे बोल रहे हैं, आपको क्या लगता है कि ये टाइम्स नाउ ये स्टोरी क्यों दिखा रहा है? बिकॉज हियर We uphold editorial views and journalistic ethics which insist that we show both sides of the coin, which is why we are not going to be partial to any government. We are not going to be partial to any party. Whoever errs, they are going to be pulled up and they are going to be exposed like we are doing it right now.
Arnab, can you please start it? Please.
1 तारीख से सरकार सबको टीका देगी, सबको टीका मिलेगा.
When it comes to complimenting the Modi government or Modi, Arnab leaves zero space. Like, you can't match up to him.
ताली तो बजाइए ना नरेंद्र मोदी जी के लिए.
एक बात बड़ी
आप प्रधानमंत्री के लिए ताली तो बजाइए. कुछ तो बताइए, थोड़ा उत्साह के साथ दिखाइए. एक्साइटेड है कि नहीं आप?
It's like Qawwali is going on in Republic TV with Tali and all going on saying Modi, 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 Modi. वही चालू है. He goes to complimenting to such an extent that Modi only made the vaccine. Modi made the vaccine, Ray. Even though he didn't give any financial support, nothing to the companies, but he made the vaccine.
नरेंद्र मोदी जी प्रधानमंत्री को बधाई हो, क्योंकि 1 साल के भीतर रिकॉर्ड टाइम में वैक्सीन तैयार कर दी.
See, Modi record time mein na, he made the vaccine. One TMC person came on the show and said this.
First of all, Arnab, I salute Republic TV for the campaign they have done, and I am a little confused. I don't know why Mr. Sambit Patra is here, because after your introduction, I think he being here is irrelevant.
But why was he there on the show in the first place? If he knows how the show is going to go, then why do you even come to the show? Don't come to the show. Arnab in the whole debate didn't ask if you have opened vaccination for all above 18. Like, do you have enough stock of vaccines? But when someone asked this question, this was his response.
Reena, are you suggesting the government has announced all this without having enough vaccines in the pipeline? I don't think that they would do something like that.
मोदी जी ने किया हो तो सही किया होगा ना. मतलब if they have opened it up for all, they have the vaccines. Ray, Modi ji has it in his pocket. As you know, Arnab and Ramdev Baba have a very close relationships, like buddies, like Jai Viru. So again he called Ramdev Baba to enlighten us with Coronil.
चाहता हूं कि बाबा रामदेव देश के लोगों से बात करें, उन्हें राह दिखाएं आज.
Then our Ramdev Baba starts with his promotion of Coronil.
वार्षणेय जी हैं. अभी गिलोय के ऊपर भी हमारा एक इंटरनेशनल रिसर्च जर्नल ने रिसर्च पेपर एक्सेप्ट किया है.
Coronil, all Patanjali products now have all international research done, Ray. WHO also approved it. If it's a Patanjali product and it is not internationally approved, it is not a Patanjali product. I can guarantee you.
नेचुरल तरीके से अपने बीपी को मेंटेन करने के लिए अनुलोम विलोम, भ्रामरी, उद्गीत, शीतली, शीतकारी.
By this now BP comes in control. Like these researchers have been breaking their heads over it, and this guy comes with Anulom Vilom and BP finish.
कोई सिंपल तकनीक बताइए, फेफड़ों के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं लोग 2-3-4 मिनट में. स्वामी जी,
ऐसा देखो.
Dude, please cover up yourself.
ये कर सकते हैं.
Then Arnab asked him, all these people who have been complaining about Covaxin, like this is a vaccine made in India. Why do people complain so much? What's the solution to this problem where people complain always?
मुझे लगता है ये थोड़ा सा डीएनए का डिफेक्ट है थोड़ा सा.
If you are complaining about Covaxin and the results weren't out, all the efficacy wasn't out, and you are complaining about it, your DNA is defected, right? And this was the whole recap of this week. Hopefully I'll keep making these videos. If you liked the video, let me know in the comments, and should I keep making these? And that's about it. Thank you everyone for watching the video. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.